Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. We got another super exciting day. Another vehicle just arrived. It's a Mclaren 675Lt. So let's go unload the vehicle and take a closer look. There's the Mclaren. Badass car. I'm gonna try to unload this and try to get the car started eventually, but the damage is in the back, kind of a pretty big damage. Right, so let's take a closer look at this Mclaren. So the impact is in the back. It looks like he spun out somewhere. There's still some tree branches and stuff like that, so it looks like he lost control, possibly hit a tree and crushed the front end. So, but for the most part up here it's just a muffler, so hopefully the muffler just got damaged. Have to remove everything. Some kind of a vacuum got damaged, pushed in, and then there's little transmission or oil leak. It looks like a plastic sleeve got damaged or cracked. Oh yeah, it got cracked on top. So subframe got a little bent. Frame, it looks like it just missed the frame completely. Just broke off part of the reinforcement. But yeah, tail lights are good. This side suspension is all good. Rim got messed up. Quarter got a little crack, fiberglass quarter. Let's see, on this side the door got damaged, so we're gonna need a new door, new fender, new wheel. Hood is okay, hood is not damaged. Front end headlights are good, needs a new bumper, reinforcement is good. Same with this headlight. No damage to this one. Fender is perfect. Bent wheel. This door is perfect. This quarter is perfect. Let's check inside. Airbags did not deploy. Seat belts are in working condition. So yeah, it looks like something like this. This was a third-party vehicle, so a year ago insurance company sold this car for $120 something, and it's been sitting for a year somewhere, I don't know where and why, and then it came back to the auction and our customer purchased this car for $86,000 I believe, which is a really good smoking deal. Charged the battery for 24 hours, so the battery is charged. I put an additional jumper just in case. Also ran the wire, same thing that I did on Lamborghini, to bypass that sensor. Somebody actually removed it already, so let's give it a try to fire this thing up. Also want to give a big shout out to DIY Gang. I watch his YouTube videos how to start a Mclaren, so we'll use the same trick. Hopefully that will help. Let's give it a shot. So nothing turns on. Let's unlock this car. So I'm getting the lights on. The doesn't start. He said press the brake and the start button at the same time. Let's give it a shot. So the dash lights up, but it doesn't start. It's making the clicking noise. Yeah, for some reason can't get this thing to start. So if any of the viewers know any tricks, please comment below and we'll give it a shot. Alright, for some reason can't get the Mclaren to start, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit more digging into it. We'll start taking the back end apart. Maybe there's a pinch wire or so, but for now we'll end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.